Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your money is working for you, that you no longer have to trade your time for a paycheck, that financial freedom isn't just a dream, but your new reality. But here's the truth. Only 10% of people will ever achieve true financial independence before retirement. The rest? Stuck in the endless cycle of working, saving a little, and hoping it's enough. Now, what if I told you there's a way to break free? A proven strategy that can help you build wealth fast and retire early? A strategy that turned one man, John Lee, into a multi-millionaire investor with a $25 million portfolio. How did he do it? And more importantly, how can you apply these same wealth-building principles to transform your own financial future? Today, we're diving deep into his journey, breaking down the exact steps he took, the mistakes he avoided, and the powerful investment strategies that could change everything for you. So get ready, because this video might just be the most valuable financial lesson you've ever had. Did you know that only 10% of people will achieve financial freedom before retirement? But what if I told you that there's a proven way to build wealth fast and retire early? Join me as we uncover the strategies that helped John Lee amass a $25 million investment portfolio. Welcome to this special deep dive into the world of wealth acceleration and financial independence. Today, we're dissecting the journey of John Lee, a financial expert and investor who turned his vision into a $25 million empire. How did he do it? And more importantly, how can you apply these same strategies to your own financial journey? Stick around because we're about to break it all down. Building wealth and achieving early retirement is a dream for many, but few ever get there. Why? Because they face three major roadblocks. 1. Crushing debt that eats away at earnings. 2. Lack of financial education and fear of investing, failure to take calculated risks that could lead to major financial breakthroughs. But what if we told you that John Lee faced the same challenges, and still made it big? Let's dive into his blueprint for success. John Lee's success wasn't random. It was built on strategic investment moves and smart risk management. Here are the three key pillars of his wealth-building strategy. Diversification. John never put all his eggs in one basket. He spread his investments across real estate, stocks, and businesses. Risk management. He focused on minimizing losses while maximizing high-growth opportunities, using data-driven decisions. Leverage and scaling. Instead of playing small, he used other people's money, loans, partnerships, and reinvestments to scale faster. Every success story has a defining moment. For John, it was the decision to make a bold, high-stakes investment during a financial downturn. While most panicked, he doubled down. And it paid off massively. So, what can we learn from John Lee's journey? 1. Start investing early and diversify. 2. Educate yourself and manage risks wisely. 3. Seize opportunities. Even when others are fearful, if you take these steps, you too can build wealth faster than you ever imagined. Now it's your turn. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to building wealth? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're hungry for more financial strategies, check out these other videos on smart investing and wealth building. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So now you have the blueprint. You've seen how John Lee built his $25 million empire, and you've learned the key strategies that separate successful investors from those who never break free from financial struggle. The question is, what will you do with this information? Will you take action today and start investing wisely? Will you educate yourself and seize opportunities when others hesitate? Or will you let another day slip by, stuck in the same cycle, wondering what could have been? The choice is yours. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to building wealth? Drop a comment below and let's start the conversation. Your insights might help someone else take that first step. And if you're serious about transforming your financial future, don't stop here. Click on one of these videos for more game-changing strategies, insider tips, and proven methods to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Hit that like button if you got value from this, subscribe for more financial content, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Remember, every great fortune starts with one bold decision. Make yours today. I'll see you in the next video.